All right, gonna show you a little hack if you're getting code P0430 on an F-150. First off, you're gonna wanna take out that O2 sensor. It's on the driver's side. So break that loose and then take that clip off so that way you can twist it. And then I'll show you the next part right now. I'm gonna go to the store and buy this spark plug anti-fouler. I'll post the link below. And then basically you put the O2 sensor in there. We're going to drill it out just a little bit. But you put the O2 sensor in there and then plug this into your cat. And this should keep the code away for quite some time. All right, your next thing you're going to want to do is just drill this down just a little bit more than it is. All right, now the goal is just to thread this right through, back through here, and then plug it in. And hopefully, we won't have that light anymore. Bear with me, this is a little tough with one hand, but there we go. All right, cool. All right, there you go. Just no check engine light. I'll definitely keep you updated on here. I'll post an update in a couple months and let you guys know, but this should be the fix for now. I mean, the next step is buying a cat, but this fix is only, I think it's $10 for that non-fouler and maybe 5-10 minutes worth of work and you're all done. All right, cool. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll check back for more videos later. Thanks, guys. All right, so I just went for a drive, put about 13 miles on it, and no check engine light. So that's a good sign because it usually would come on right away. But I'll keep you updated further from this video down the line and let you know how it's going with it.